Hi guys, I made a Halloween bat, pumpkin, and ghost garland, and here's what I did. For supplies, you'll need a bat, pumpkin, ghost, and banner template, orange, black, and white cardstock, pencil, string, scissors, glue, black Sharpie, hole puncher, and ruler. Trace your templates onto cardstock. For the banner template, fold cardstock in half and trace it. Then cut out your pieces. Erase any pencil marks. Hole punch the left and right side of your pieces. I aligned them so that the holes would match. String your pieces. The string should be in the back of the pumpkin and bat and in front of the ghost. I left about 3 inches between each piece. Glue the banner over the string and to the ghost. I also added tape to the back of the pumpkins and bats so that they'd stay in place. Hang it and your Halloween bat, pumpkin, and ghost garland is done. I also made a bat wreath for Halloween, and here's what I did. For supplies, you'll need black cardstock, a bat template, hot glue, scissors, pencil, eraser, wire, ruler, pliers, black paint, and a sponge brush. I twisted 2 wires to make a stronger wire. Then I formed a 14-inch circle by bending and interlocking the ends like a clasp. I painted it black, which didn't really matter because it was in the back of the wreath, and set it aside to dry. I traced and cut out bats, then erased any pencil marks. Lay them in a circle and place the ring on top. I used 8 bats. Glue the ring to the bats. I left a couple of gaps near the top to string and hang my wreath. Next, turn it over. I cut out 8 more bats. I folded the wings and curved them to give a little more dimension to the wreath. I glued each bat between the previous layer of bats. Add string, hang it, and your bat wreath is done.